an any illumination is there. This is one point. This is another point. This is the earth basically. So I am just entering again. There is no glow, and here, if I connect, there is a small glow, very small glow. Maybe difficult for all of you. I don't know whether it will be getting displayed or not. But one of the terminals, there is a small glow inside the tube, inside the tester, and it indicates that there is a voltage present there. Some voltage present is there. Now, depending upon the point, at point which we get a glow, we identify it as a line voltage or line supply, or that is the line where the mains voltage comes in. The other point where there is no glow must be neutral, and the top earth point is common, or it is well indicated normally. It is the size of that hole which goes inside is large or different compared to the line and neutral pin. So the size of the pin for the earth is always large, it is separate and easily identified. So we can identify the live, neutral and the earth using a tester basically, and you can see a small glow and we can identify the light. So now I request everybody of you to have it. If you are not tested the thing before, right, make a thing that you come and you use it and test it with your own hand and show this to your student also. This is just cost 40 rupees or 30 rupees or 40 rupees. So all of the many of the gadgets are very low cost. You can buy and you can give to the student.